When removing CV axle shafts from a vehicle, it's important to have the right tool for the job. Using primitive methods for removing CV axles like pry bars and air hammers not only slow down the job, but also open up the possibility for costly damage. That's why Wallmek Tools created the Axle Extractor Pro. Not only does it speed up the process of removing tricky CV axle shafts, it does so safely without the fear of damaging expensive parts like the differential. It has a universal design to remove both inner and outer axle joints. The design allows easy access behind knuckle removal, so there's no more messing with engine covers, clips, or having to contort into hard-to-reach areas. With the 100% straight distinct pull, it makes removal quick and easy without damaging or creating a permanent lock of the square clip ring in the differential or outer CV. With the safe and effective Wallmek Tools Axle Extractor Pro, never again will you have to use a primitive method that's likely to cause damage. This tip is brought to you by Wallmek Tools. Invest in time.